Go.
Hi, this is Ryan Fewens-Bliss, Executive Director of the Michigan College Access Network. Excited to bring you award number 5 out of 10 in our College Access Impact Awards for 2020. At this moment, we're going to be talking about the Beacon Award, and I'll tell you more about that in just a moment. If you've been watching our award giveaways here, video by video, you know that typically we like to give this award away at our annual conference. We have this beautiful ballroom with 650 of our closest friends, everyone dressed up eating fancy cheesecake. We just couldn't pull it off this year for obvious reasons for the pandemic. So we want to make sure we're still bringing really positive attention to the great things that people and organizations are doing across the state. So we're bringing you these virtual presentations of our College Access Impact Awards. We've been giving these awards away for 6 years. We started on our 5th birthday. To celebrate 5 years of existence. We're celebrating our 10th birthday this year. It's been a great decade of working with people like our award winners who have made a real difference in their community and in their schools and beyond. Each honoree has a breadth of work, a body of work. This is not an award for a one-time thing that any person or organization that we're honoring has done. This is really for a long-term commitment to college access and success in the state of Michigan. I'm excited today to talk about the Beacon Award, comprehensively aligning the organizational leaders in the college access and success field allows for the design and implementation of a unified vision for progress toward the 60 by 30 goal, which you all know 60 by 30 is about increasing the state's residents, the proportion of state residents who have a post-secondary degree or certificate to 60% by the year 2030. MCAN convenes and engages cross-sector partners to galvanize the movement toward collaboration. The recipient of the Beacon Award is an individual or organization that has continually endeavored to unite programs, activities, and operations in support of post-secondary attainment. I'm incredibly excited and proud to recognize the Michigan Association for College Admission Counseling, we know them as MACAC, as this year's Beacon Award recipient. MCAN has worked closely with MACAC since our inception a decade ago. As many folks may not know, MACAC's work is driven by a rock star team of volunteers. Despite their executive board leadership all having full-time positions, probably full-time plus positions, they're always eager to partner and think outside the box to move their work and our work forward in support of increasing Michigan's post-secondary attainment. They are strategic in their efforts and have worked in creative ways to engage new members. They've prioritized increasing outreach to support public school counselors and urban school counselors who have not historically been highly engaged with the organization. Just this past March, MACAC was forced to pivot and cancel their annual conference, which was set to celebrate their anniversary, but their anniversary is 50 years. We know this award can't replace the missed celebration, but hopefully it can provide something new to celebrate during this important milestone year for both MACAC and MCAN. It's for these reasons and many, many more that we are incredibly proud to recognize our partner, the Michigan Association for College Admission Counseling this afternoon. Congratulations. Judy Stahl, the president of MACAC, joins us today to accept on behalf of the association. Judy, please tell us a little bit about the work that you've been doing. Show us the beautiful award that we're giving you. Tell us what the Beacon Award means to MACAC.
Well, thank you so much, Ryan and the MCAN family. It's a beautiful award. It's very heavy. I could use it during my workouts. On behalf of the membership of MACAC, the Michigan Association for College Admission Counseling, I'm honored as the current president to accept MCAN's Beacon Award. In a time where collaboration has seemingly taken a bit of a back seat to more selfish objectives, the Beacon Award celebrates a partnership born from the efforts of our organizations who come together to strengthen college access to students throughout our great state of Michigan. To be recognized for our support of comprehensive programming and initiatives with the sole mission of supporting students in their pursuit of post-secondary attainment, it's humbling, but also a reminder of the important work yet to come. Your selection of MACAC as the recipient of the Beacon Award comes during our 50th anniversary. We hope to celebrate another 50 in partnership with MCAN, delivering strong, unified collaborations and driving toward equity for all students in their post-secondary goals. There's a saying that many have heard before, many hands make the load light. MACAC is pleased to continue supporting programs and initiatives of MCAN toward the goal of increasing awareness and resources to counselors and students across our state. I'm pleased to accept this award on behalf of MACAC with our grateful appreciation for our friendship and continued work together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judy. It's been great getting to know you and getting to know your members and MACAC and the other folks in your leadership team. It's so great to work with passionate, strategic, invested people like you and your team. We do look forward to 50 more years working with you along the way. Please feel free to put the award down. I know it's so heavy.
It is heavy. It's beautiful though. I'm very
It's been great to celebrate with you. Again, so sorry we couldn't do it at our formal event, but we will find great ways to raise up the work that you've been doing. And the best way probably to raise that up is to continue our partnership and evolve to new and exciting things.
Absolutely.
For those of you watching, again, this has been the Beacon Award for our friends at MACAC. I'm incredibly proud of the work that they're doing and the partnership that we have. We have 5 more awards left to give away to great organizations and people just like MACAC. Please stay tuned to see who's next on the awardee list. Thanks much.